Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can change your Instagram story from close friends to everyone. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also write your comments after watching the video. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm going to open up Instagram now and quickly put up a story to show you how it's done. So when you're posting a story for your best friends, you click right here on Best Friends. And as you can see, you now have a story. It's not going to have a red circle, it's going to have a green circle. And if you want to see your best friends list, for example, or if you want to change it, then click on History, then at the bottom of the three dots, then History Settings, and Best Friends. So you will see a list of your best friends that have already been added. Also at the bottom will be a list of suggested friends that you can add to this list, or you can find the person through, for example, the search bar. If you maintain the name of the person, in this way you can add it. If you want to remove someone on the contrary, then in front of the person you need to click on this checkbox to remove him from the list of best friends. But, unfortunately, in the history settings you will not find such a function or button, where you can simply switch from best friends to all friends of the given history. To do this, you will need to click on the three buttons when you open the story. Next, save. And you can either save the photo or you can save the story. I'm going to choose Save Photo. Now hit the three dots again, Delete History, Delete. And the only option that's going to help you is to just put this story up again, but no longer choosing best friends, but as just your story for everyone. That's the only way, friends, you can change your Instagram story from your close friends to all of your followers. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please friends, put your likes, subscribe to our channel, and also write your comments. See you soon. Goodbye.